Luxury white interior design with marble decor and metallic accents, featuring high-end furniture, a multi-phase lounge layout, and a unique dining island design. Are you into an industrial look? Cover your wall with the metallic sheet decor and a leather chair, dark transparent curtains, gorgeous ceiling lamps, and gain a modern home office design. So the next category we have is luxury home office designs. Luxury home office designs with unique desks and stylish desk chairs, office lounge spaces, home office storage, designer desk lamps, bookcases, and office lighting. What we have next is aesthetic desk setup for creative workspace. A tidy desk and a positive mind make a productive day. Check out these aesthetic desk setups ideas for inspirations to decor your own creative workspace. At the end, give a like to our video and must subscribe our channel for more. Thank you.